the word ur, which means an hour or time that something happens. Okay, so uranta means times, so sometimes. Okay. Oam goham, the word am means time also. Okay, so oam goham means from time to time. It's like in English. Am is time, o is from, go is to. Okay, riyav is used to mean ever when you ask a question. Okay, and it means never when you answer with it. Okay, okay. So I might ask, "An rev tu in Erin riyav." So were you in Ireland ever? And you could say ni rev riyav if you've never been there. Ni rev riyav. Okay. Or Chandra might say vi men shin kushaftanan taikishohin, right? You were there a fortnight ago or so. Okay. Jera Shaktanan, so it's end of week. Yeah, so Jera. Jera is end, Shaktan is week, Shaktana is of week, so end of week. Jera Shaktana is weekend. Okay? So I might say, Kametu Erin Jera Shaktana, where are you be on the weekend? And you might say, Bema Sawali, I'll be at home, or Bema Nerin, I'll be in Ireland. Okay? Jera Shaktana. Alright? So, we're not going to do the fourth page, that's for you to take home and do. Okay? And we're going to come back and do some sentences here in a second. Just to let you know what's on the fourth page, I have a little summary of the Oxford Pocket Irish Dictionary, which I'm going to kind of cover the next couple weeks in my little summaries here, a few dictionaries that are useful, since it's a good thing to have. And I think after you compare it, I'll try to get the same word in there so you can kind of see how different dictionaries approach it. And find one that's your style. And I encourage you, if you don't have a dictionary already, to try to get one and bring it with you to class. So if you're wondering what a word is, you can try to look it up, or if you don't think I'm telling you the wrong thing, you can make sure I'm telling you the right thing. Especially as we get on later, okay? The Irish shop downtown, they're going to be getting some here, and they're going to get some folklore polka, which is kind of hard to find other places. And that's the one that I had in last week's that has the pronunciation guides in it. As far as vocabulary, the Oxford, I think, has probably got the most up-to-date, complete vocabulary. But, they keep revising them, so I'm not sure. Actually, there's a new one on Collins, I think, also now. But also, I have a little quiz for you to do on your own, just to see if you can remember the words, or you can look them all up on the previous page, so it's not too bad. Okay? So, as much as you can, try to work on those. Now, we're going to try to put all this together now, okay? So I don't have a dialogue sheet on here this week, so we're going to kind of do the going around and try to think how you say things, okay? All right. So, and we'll try to write up on a board as we go things that we need, okay? So, let's try a couple questions. So if I ask, an mian tu an sho gominnic, an mian tu an sho gominnic, do you come here, are you here often? An mian tu, are you, an sho here, gominnic. How would you say yes? Bien, okay? How would you say I'm here every day? So bien me ansho gafla or beam ansho gafla. Yeah, that's enough. Beam ansho gafla. Gominnic means often, gafla every day. So which one do you want to say? Yeah. Okay, so beam ansho gafla or beam ansho gominnic, I'm here often. Or beam ansho gafla, I'm here every day. Or beam ansho gach shachten means I'm here every week. Okay? And how about I'm here sometimes? Beam ansho oranta. Okay? And like in English, if someone asks you a question, you don't in real conversation, you don't always give a full story. So if someone says, "Me and tu ansho gominnic, are you here often?" You might say, oranta, sometimes, or. And Mian tu and Shah, do you be here usually? Yeah, Uranta. Okay? Oh, I'm Gohan. Okay? But you should know kind of how to say the whole thing too. Okay? If I ask you, and Mian tu in Erin Guminik, are you often in Ireland? How would you say, Nivian is no. Or if you're there every year, how would you say I am there every year? Blian. So you can say Beam. Beam and Shin. Gach Blian. I am there every year. And we'll talk later about how to say I go there every year or that thing. Okay? But Beam and Shin Gach Blian, I'm there every year. Okay? How would you say I've never been there? How do you say I wasn't there? Nirev me. Nirev me and Shin Riev. I wasn't there ever. I've never been there. Okay? Or like Bob said, Nirawas. I wasn't there. Okay, or Nirawas and Shin Riev.
You've got a good ear, you can pick that up if everybody's talking.
Okay. Nirawas and Shin Riev. I was never there. Okay? I would say, but I will be there next year. I will be there. And Lian Shohugan. So Beime and Shin, I will be there. And Lian Shohugan, or Bed and Shin, if you want to say that.
Does the BH turn to a B there or not?
Here?
No, and Blian.
Yeah, and Blian.
Yeah.
And Blian. Okay, Blian is a feminine word in Irish, so one of the things that happens with feminine words is the aspirates the word. So and Blian, the year, and the Glina, the glass. Okay, and Van, the woman. Okay, and Inyo, the window, is all the knighted. Okay? So,
Shanti, if you wanted to say that you had been there 3 years ago, would you put the H in green and then would it?
okay, so if you want to say I was there 3 years ago, you say Vime, Shin. Actually, what I'll do is I'll give you the way how to say a few different years, because those are probably good things to know. So Vime and Shin. First of all, last year is what? Anuri. Okay. Or if I was there 2 years ago, you would say Ga Blianohin. Okay. Ga is 2. Ga Blian is 2 years. In Irish, literally, it's 2 year. Okay. O-in means ago. So that those two words sort of means from that. But O-in, ago. So you want to learn that expression, O-in. Okay? 3 years ago is Tri Bliana. Okay? So Vime and Shin, Tri Bliana O-in. And same is true for Catabliana Ohin is 4 years ago. 5 years ago is Kui Bliana Ohin. And 6 years is Che Bliana Ohin. Okay? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 years ago. So Catabliana Ohin, Kui Bliana Ohin, Che Bliana Ohin. Okay?
Is Ohin like a
Ago. Yeah. Kata is 4. Kata. Kuig is 5. She is 6. Okay, now 7 is Shach. Shach Mliana Ohin. 7 years ago. Okay? So these numbers, you have Bliana with them. This number you have Mliana. Okay? And likewise, 8, 9, and 10 is Och, Ni, and Jet. Okay? And those all use Mliana
The Mliana with the M.
with the M. So, Shaf Mliana Ohin, Och Mliana Ohin, Ni Mliana Ohin, I guess Jet Mliana Ohin. Okay? Hopefully that takes care of them. Irish numbers are very involved, so we'll have all sorts of things. And the word Bliana is kind of irregular when it's counted. Okay, there's 11 irregular verbs in Irish, but there are a lot of irregular nouns. So.